Okay, so what other physical properties are we going to look for? We know that quartz is harder than glass. What about this next mineral? Can I get the camera to come and look at this one, please? This mineral is a clear or milky mineral, and it is shaped like a rhombohedron, like a leaning cube or a leaning rectangle. Can you guys see that shape? Other than its shape, what are other physical properties? Emily, can you test its hardness, please?
Ineffective.
Ineffective. So, is it harder than glass?
No.
No. So, what is it not?
It's softer than glass. Oh, it's.
What mineral is it not?
It's not a quartz.
Right. It's not quartz because quartz's smoking gun is that it's harder than glass.
Right.
So this is sort of the process that you guys go through as you're identifying minerals. All right, let's try another physical property. How about magnetism? Mike, you want to test to see if it's magnetic?
It is not magnetic.
Surprise, holy moly, it's not magnetic. Now, how about we drop some acid on it?
Oh.
Emily, you want to drop the acid?
Yes.
Can I get the camera to... Ooh, you can hear it. Is it fizzing?
Yes.
All right, that is reacting to hydrochloric acid. You should be able to see very easily. There's a lot of bubbling going on. That is called effervescence. After it bubbles for a second, just take a paper towel or a piece of paper and blot it off. That way you can keep your mineral and it won't degrade over time. All right, so what mineral then reacts to hydrochloric acid? The answer to that question is calcite. So calcite is this mineral, and calcite, smoking gun, is that it reacts to hydrochloric acid.